Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my first impression on the iGel Beauty Model XS e-file. It's a rechargeable e-file, and this I got in my welcome package as a brand ambassador for the brand. Right now I'm just unboxing everything. As you can see, I'm taking the charger out right now. Then we're going to get everything out and try to figure it out. And then I have a client that it's going to get a redesign. So we are going to take all of this, all design. We're going to file it down, and then we're going to go with a new set. So I think this is the best way I could have tried this e-file because you have to be able to remove a set, in a timely manner, and it is the part of my work that takes me the longest because I am very careful with it. I know how much it hurts to get burned, and I cut, and I don't like it. I really don't like, which is one of the reasons why you don't see my nails very often, is because I don't really do my nails all that much. I don't like the e-file very much, but anyway, so here I was trying it out and it's not working, and I can't understand why. And then I realized that the button is on the middle. It's not either to either side, like left or right. So how is it gonna work? So I found out what it was, and it is not working, and now I'm going to try it on my clients. Like I said, I'm very careful with this. I at this point still very skeptical with a rechargeable e-file. I had never bought one. I had or still have an e-file that's from Medicool, and is their 35K. Is a great one, and I had the previous model to that one for 10 years, and I used it a lot, and it was very, very good to me. And now when that died, I decided to go with the same thing because I knew it was reliable and that's what I needed. And rechargeable e-files were still a thing, were a thing already back then. I think I got my newest one like 2 years ago maybe, but I was skeptical. I just couldn't believe that such a small machine could work properly and last enough. And so we're going to try this and we're going to see. Now I have to be honest with you. I was not expecting anything from this, to be honest. I really wasn't. I am, like I said, very careful because I know it hurts, and I don't like to hurt my clients. But let me tell you, this is what it works really, really good. I am using the 5-in-1 from them, and this one is a medium, I believe. So I am using their e-file and their 5-in-1 B, I believe. I may be wrong with that. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this is theirs and is a 5-in-1 in medium. All right, so right now I am just trying to take the remnants of the Swarovski crystals I had already on this design, and that last one was giving me a hard time, and so that's what I'm doing here. I wanted to show you the video and talk to you about this brand as a whole and how I've been falling in love with it. I was very skeptical at first, and I loved it. I loved this e-file, and I love most of their products that I have gotten over the months. I got my welcome package a few weeks ago. I believe I was nominated, or actually they texted me to offer me a brand ambassador position, and I actually thought it was a joke. I was not going to believe that that was true, and I talked to Cam, and she was really nice. She did tell me everything was for real, and that you know, she explained everything, and she asked about me, and here I am. So in my welcome package, I did make a video about it, so maybe we can you can go back. It's a very short video. I just did an unboxing of everything. There is going to be another swatch video coming soon, probably after this one, and it's going to be swatching a fourth order I got, and it is a big one. So I'm going to be swatching the colors they gave me, they sent me in the welcome package, and another package I got after that. That is a big one. Now I am going to make that one 2 videos, and I'm going to be swatching all of the dip and dab powders that I got from the welcome package and the other package, and then I'm going to be swatching also the gel and polish duos that I got in my first 2 packages back in May, I believe, and then the rest of the stuff that came in the last package that came in last week. So there is going to be a few iGel beauty videos coming up. I still want to be sharing with you what I like and what I don't like about the brand, and that's, you know, a fact that I stated. I did want to be honest, and if I don't like it, I don't like it. If I don't like it, that doesn't mean it's a bad product. I just don't prefer it. Now, I got some items so that I can do a set that is going to be an entire set with their brand, and I was too late to the monomer release, because when it came out, my order had already been shipped. So that is not going to be part of that video, but everything else I'm going to try to make it Ideal Beauty for the most part, and you're going to be seeing that one coming soon. Now I also have other videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but so far this is what I have. I'm going to be working in a schedule too. I'm going to be trying to upload 3 times a week, and it's going to be probably Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays. That is up for debate yet, but it's probably going to be those dates. We will see. Now, as you can see, I am working. I left this as slow as I could, like as normal speed as I could. Now, I didn't want to make it a very, very super long video, so it did take me like 20 minutes or so to take all of this set off and prep this hand. And like I said, this is the longest part for me because I am very careful not to burn my clients, and it's probably because I don't like to be burned. I hate to do that. So anyway, so I'm very careful, and I'm just removing everything, and it's working very, very well. I actually retired my previous e-file, and like I said, I had that one for 2 years. Before this came in, actually, I ordered a Melody Susie Scarlett e-file, and I took it out. I left mine there as well. I took it out and I tried it for 2 days before this one came in, and it is a good beginner e-file, but if you're going to spend your money, I would spend it in something good that's going to last you. The Melody Susie e-file did not seem to me like it was very durable, if that makes any sense to you. I didn't find it to be very strong, and I don't know, it is very light. It is very lightweight, but this one is so lightweight. This one is super lightweight, and you do not feel any vibrations in your hands. And my client was telling me that how you don't feel the vibration and you don't hear it. And as a matter of fact, I did something really, really stupid, and I almost took the drill bit out with the machine running because I didn't think it was running. That's how much you don't feel the vibration or hear it or even know it's running. Sometimes, like, you have to look at the machine. Now, the plastic that it comes on for the holder, I have it, I used it, but it's not necessary. It's really not. I now take it off of there, and I just put it on top of my table when I'm working, and then I put it in a drawer when I'm not, and it's out of my it's not for I don't need it in my table, and it gives me more space in my table to get everything done. So like I said, I'm going to be working on another few videos coming up. I'm going to try to make a watch me work, maybe a review slash first impression slash swatch video on another video in the week, and then I'm going to try to do more of comparison videos on my third video of the week. So that's a plan. I'm hoping that is going to be working out for me. Let's see. I am very busy these days, so it's time consuming to edit the videos and to do the voiceovers and all of that. And I do have to do that because, like I said, I have conversations with my clients, and I'm not going to put them out there. I want to also work on live videos. I'm going to be doing live videos on my Facebook page. I'll probably be making a Facebook group for those instead, but we'll see about that. And then I'm going to be doing also Instagram live videos, and I'm working on TikTok. I'm doing TikTok. I'm trying to do reels. I am trying to be present in all social media. So if you haven't followed me on social media, the links are down below. Do so, and there's going to be more. Like I said, social media is where I post most of my sets. I try to post at least 1 to 2 pictures every other day, and like I said, I'm posting reels these days. I'm posting TikToks. I'm trying to be as active as time allows in some of the groups in Facebook and the nail groups in Facebook. And like I said, I will probably be creating my own. And so if you want to be part of that, keep an eye out for that coming up. I am working really, really hard on nail supply items. and trying to stock up on nail supplies for my nail supply store. It's going to be an online store. It's going to be hosted in my website, and I have been working on this, I feel like, years, and it has been years on and off, but this year was supposed to be the year, and of course we all know what happened. And so it has been pushed back, but I am working very, very hard on that too. So I am busy, but I am present. I try to be as present as I can be. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you find it in your heart to leave a comment, I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can leave it down there. You can hit me up DM on Instagram or Facebook. And like I said, follow me on TikTok. I'm over there. I'm trying. It's a very different platform for me, so it's kind of crazy, but yeah, I'm trying to do all of it. If you have the opportunity to try this, if you have the possibilities to buy this e-file and try it, I recommend it 100%. It is very, very good. Like I said, was very skeptical and I did not want to try it. It was not in my books to try this at all. So when they gave me the opportunity to become a brand ambassador and they asked me if I had any products I wanted to try, I knew this was going to be one of the products because I was skeptical. I did not want to spend my money, but let me tell you that I am thinking about buying this for a friend to gift and buying a backup for me just in case while they still have that 60% off sale. So just so you know, if it is in your possibilities, I will go and I'm gonna leave a link down below, and they have a sale going on, so there's gonna be a 60% of the total price, and I don't have a code or anything, so it has nothing to do with selling for me. It is so that you can try and you can have a good product. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.